If you're a business owner and from the longest time you've been trying to set up a website for yourself, I am here to give you the tea. So you should stay to the end of this video. I will show you how to create a website for yourself using AI for free. You heard me. And you can even go as far as creating website for people, charging them for the service. Baby girl, get that bag this moment. Now, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get right into this video. It's half so you can see what I'm saying. Let's go.
So with this AI tool, you can create a professional website for your brand using zero coding and 3D animated images, all for free. So the first thing you want to do is to write in a prompt. I always say how important a prompt is. So when you write out the prompt, it's going to show you a few layouts of something they already have, and you're going to pick the one that best suits your brand or what you want to portray. And so when you pick that, you click on generate, and in seconds, my website layout is ready. Like, it's looking ready already. Like it looks amazing. So all you need to do going forward from this part is go through them, change information that you don't like, rebrand a few things, add some things, remove some things. Look at my website. Look at this skincare website. It looks absolutely amazing. And if you're just someone that is starting out, a small business owner, you don't need to break the bank to get your business running. This looks amazing. You don't need like any tech skills for you to be able to navigate this AI tool. You can tweak the layout, add 3D animations, change the font, change the images. You can input your own image and just make a personalized experience for your audience or for your clients or your customers that will be coming onto this website. Something you should keep in mind is to make sure that what you're picking out is in line with your brand image. So from your colors down to the font, it should not clash with your brand identity. So in a few seconds, like 90 seconds, this was what I was able to create. You can see how it looks effortlessly beautiful and sophisticated. Nobody can tell that this was created using AI too. So say bye to those web developers and say welcome to freedom for you to create your own stuff. So these are other things that this AI tool have created. This was like a Tesla bot AI website, and you can see how professional it looks down to the detail. That is the most amazing thing about this tool, because it looks great at the end of the day. It doesn't look like something that an amateur created, and that is the beauty of everything. The second and most recent tool we'll be exploring today is the WordPress AI builder. So I just simply asked it, build a website for my bakery, and it's going to ask me the name of my bakery, the location, and in seconds, is going to like start showing me stuff. I'm saying, show me website, show me a different color. If you have specific colors, you can do that. If you want images, you can change it. Just type it out. Like, this tool just goes to support what I've been saying for a long time, which is that prompt is the most important aspect while trying to create anything with AI. So yeah, I'm going to say I need a website for my agency, voice AI. So this, I'm going to type out what I want. So just type out what you want. Make sure it is concise. Make sure it is clear. Make sure there is no confusion, because AI can get quite confused when you're not giving accurate information. So once you've typed in that, it's going to start thinking, just like when you're using ChatGPT. So it's going to say it's providing you with costume voice assistants tailored for businesses. So yes, I'm going to say create. So it is building my site in literally like 5 seconds. So it has built my site now. So this is what it looks like. This is what my site will look like if I have an AI voice business where I want to offer it to businesses. So this is what my website looks like. So it's going to ask me to do a couple of things, and you can just say do it later, which is to change your layout, change colors, change a few things. Now it's saying how do I change this? This is where the how can I help you page. You say I would like to change the headline. So you're just typing it in. You're not doing anything. So I'm going to like to change this headline to something else, and it's going to start thinking immediately because it wants to provide an answer to what I have requested. So while I wait for it to think, I'm just amazed by the beauty and intelligence of this AI tool by WordPress, which is something that is unique. It is amazing. It is free to use, which is the most important thing. So now it has replaced the headline, which is your voice, our innovation. Oh my god, I'm so amazed. Now I'm going to say change the color of the website to a professional blue layout. So he's already thinking again to change it for me. I'm so excited because there was a point that a lot of businesses could not really thrive because they had to pay for a lot of things. So now they're like changes for you. You can change the color palette, you can just change different colors to suit what your brand identity or your brand looks like. So there was a time we had to spend so much to get a business running, not anymore, which made a lot of business to like operate in an analog kind of way, manual way, when they could do everything themselves. So I'm proud that AI has kind of provided a means for us to do a lot of things. Now I'm going to say now change images to illustration designs. So I want it to change the images. I don't quite like the image that it is showing me, so I want to change the image to illustrations rather than these images of people. So you can see that it has done that. This is changing others. That's changed the first one, which was a female. Now you can see it's now like an illustration. And okay, I think I like this illustration. Yes, I do. I like this illustration. It's changing the images one after the other. So yeah, it looks pretty amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, and I love it. If you need to try this out, as usual, I'll be dropping all the links in my bio. Please subscribe to my channel. Ensure you subscribe. So now I'm going through the website. I think everything looks quite right. You can change everything on your own. Don't forget that. Now I'm going to launch. So it's going to say create your domain, get started, and I'll say continue. You need to pick a plan for that before you'll be able to launch your domain. So you need to like pick a domain name and all that. But the layout of your website has been created for you using AI tools. So the rest is just like simple things that you need to take care of. Even if you employ a web developer, you still need to pick a domain name, you still need to pay for it. So bear this in mind. So that's just everything about creating a website using AI tool.
So guys, this is literally amazing. I brought it to you, but just make sure that you share my video, like my video, comment, subscribe to my channel. I've been here for a minute and I deserve it. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content, so that when I spill or when I give more tea or when I stir the pot, you'll be one of the first to know.